Akenya matanyihiire mirioni 3.7 nimagumiirwo ni thina wa meciria. Ministry ya UGIMA wa MWIRI ikiuga aria mahutitio ni thina uyu makiria ni aria marutaga wira wabici-ini itiganite. Wagi wa utauku mukinyaniru wigie thina wa meciria ni gatagati-ini ka maundu maria ministry igwetete gucungiriria kwambatira kwa namba ya arwaru. Minista akiuga aria arwaru ni makoretwo no ritu wa kwiiturura magitigira guthutukanio.
Simple tasks like getting out of bed and coming to work was I felt it was a big challenge.
The hospital is in a dire need of acute psychiatry wards. People who have acute psychosis and acute mental illness, they require intensive care, like the people who are in intensive care unit.
Daisy Kwaboka ni umwe wanagumirwo ni thina uyu na taririe family yake ndiari na umenyo wa kiria kia muthinagia na aciari yake mamwikuaga ni dawa cia kulevya ahuthagira oginyagia riria athurimirwo ni arigitani na kioneka ni agumirwo ni thina wa meciria.
And my mom on the other side was questioning herself if maybe I was bewitched or anything. But I couldn't have judged them because they had no information about mental health.
Been denied employment by some employers, rejected in relationships, called mates and divined by the condition I suffer, for instance, Joy who gets mad.
Joshua Kimutai kuma kaunti-ini ya Uasin Gishu noria nake ukoretwo akihurana na thina wa meciria kwa ihinda ritanyihiire miaka 20 ataririe thina uyu wamugumiire riria atirihire mathomo ma university na ni thutha wa gwetha wira kwa ihinda iraya gutari na umithio.
You have to learn to accept the way it is and also communicate widely, because the information you get from the people and the information will help you to fight that stigma.
Nilijikubali that enyewe mimi ni addict wa substances, ndo nikaweza kusaidiwa na psychiatrist.
Ona gukiri uguo ministry nenyitanire na nyititemi sector-ini ya ugima wa mwiri hari guthomithia muingi na kumaiguithia thina wa meciria no gumire mundu wothe. Minister Debra Barasa akiranira mihang'o ya gutangikira thina uyu ni gutamburukio matura-ini na muingi ni ukugia na mweke wa kwamukira motungata maya thibitari-ini cia gikiro kia level 4.
While meaningful work can offer numerous benefits, harmful work conditions can lead to serious mental health issues. Mental health continues to be stigmatized and often overlooked, leading to significant consequences for individuals, families and communities.
Ministry ya ugima wa mwiri yugite ni gathikite mitaratara mikinyaniru ya gutigirira namba ya andu aria magumiirwo ni thina wa meciria guku bururi-ini ni yacoka thi. Ngiribotera Kameme TV kuma thibitari-ini munene wa Mathari kaunti-ini ya Nairobi. Ritwa riakwa ni Wambui wa Njuguna.